Welcome back to Pump Info. They say the Biafra is the beginning of wisdom. As we are talking right now, so many people are standing up and calling President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to drop the 1999 Constitution in order way to Nigeria to move forward. If not, that Nigeria is claiming to be president may not be there tomorrow. As we they talk again, we they get the information say the Biafra Liberation Army groups have captured one Nigeria Air Force, and currently the guy is very hungry and they are feeding the guy. Things are really happening. What a funny news that always come aside from Nigeria. Things are really happening. Okay, my people, let us go and watch the videos and see how it is playing in that particular area. Nigeria has no mercantilism. If not the people who speak English, the problem of Nigeria is too much, which no one can be able to solve. Only the dialogue and to sit in a round table to discuss the way forward. Watch the full video.
Hey, how is that?
Also, for those who are not Yoruba persons here, also a former governor, you know him well, Mr. Peter Obi. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Nigeria, like many other countries across the world, is a pluralistic country. That is a country whose population consists of groups of peoples that were long established in their separate geographical areas with different histories, different cultures, different languages, and religions. The universal lesson is that pluralistic countries which have survived as single political entities in unity and progress are those that have addressed their pluralism, that is their diversity, with genuine federal constitutions. And the other major challenges currently facing Nigeria. My warning, therefore, is that for the sake of preserving our country, the federal government and the National Assembly should not delay any longer acting what is clearly a universal lesson. We must have a true Nigerian People's Democratic Constitution based on the principles that underlined our 1960-63 Constitution, which was painstakingly negotiated and agreed by the founding fathers of independent Nigeria. As many of us in this room will have a biography of Emeritus Professor Càptùre, I will leave it to the book reviewer to tell us more about the book. But my final words are that the man whom I know simply as Jide Osunto is not only an accomplished academic, but also a patriot who was deservedly recognized last year by the prestigious Hallmarks of Labor Foundation through the award to him of the title HLF, which means a role model for our young people in how to achieve success through hard work and integrity. Thank you.
As they busy, they talk of how to restructure Nigeria and remove 1999 Constitution. Let me show you the current situation in Biafra land. This is Nigeria Air Force captured by Biafra Army. Watch the video.
Now, gentle the Yahoo they talk to you. That gentle way that they look for. See, I'm here.
One are they try to kill. Then give you food. Now be gentle the Yahoo give you food to eat now.
Now the food.
You are going.
Now the food of gentle killer. Gentle killer carrying food. You can't give the Nigerian. Are you from where?
I am promising you.
He's from Niger State. So Niger State, this is the Nigerian Air Force that joined together with Nigerian government to come and fight Biafra Liberation Army.
We are only fighting for our freedom, Biafra. Our own nation, Biafra. We are not against anybody. We are only seeking for our freedom. And we can't fold our hands looking for our enemy to come and destroy us. No, it can never happen. That is why we are picking up arms. And that is why we are facing.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. I'm going to bring this video also for you to show you as it did happen again today for inside Biafra land.
Now here, the angels are here. The angels are here. It's our right, not their right. May they leave our land, they know they're here. May they leave our land, they know they're here. Biafra shall be redeclared on 2nd December 2024. And then
welcome back to Pump Info, my people. When I don't see as they go, I want you to also share the video and drop your own opinion in the comment section. Let us talk about dropping Nigeria Constitution and go for the new constitution that is going to favor Nigerians as large. The problem is that it's too late. The people of Southeast, the Biafran people, are not interested in this constitution anymore. Remember that Nnamdi Kanu started with calling for restructuring, also called for constitution amendment that is going to favor everybody before he fully called for total secession from Nigeria, Biafra independent. So now you see that dropping constitution cannot solve this problem, but also sitting down for dialogue and let people decide their fate in Nigeria. My people, this problem, I don't think anybody can solve it right now unless all the ethnic group that make up Nigeria will come together. But this is the one thing that the politicians are running away from. They don't want to discuss anything about it. They don't want to hear it at all, because the money coming from oils or different sessions they are flooding Nigerians are coming to their account, so they don't care of what the country is going through. This is where you see wicked people as leaders, and nothing is going to be changed. So my people, what do you think about this constitution matter? You think say go favor Nigerians, or you think say go favor the Biafrans? So drop your own opinion in a comment section. And also let us talk about the Nigeria Navy captured by the Biafran armies. Hey, my people, do you think that this Nigeria Air Force will be released, or do you think they're going to buy him? So what do you think? Drop it in the comment section, and please share the video as well.